What is much more sweet than you knowing that you just make a woman poor with the whip of your tongue for her to bow down for you and worship you as the king of the Pecos that you are? Igwe. Hmm. Because your head game is so very strong and delicious, and your tongue works magical. you know? Hmm. Yes, that is the center of our universe. Nothing is more satisfying than that. You got me? Remember, that all road leads to the V, to the powerhouse, to the Pecos, to the Toto. Hmm. When you hit the powerhouse, very right between her gorgeous long leg, you hit the center of her being. But some men don't know how to stroke it. They don't know how to pleasure it. But don't worry, I'm here for you. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you by teaching you how to eat her real good, like a charm, you know, like the king of the bakers that you are, and the king of the toto that you are. So if this is the type of content you love to watch, just stay tuned and watch till the end. My name is Amaka. I'm a dating relationship and life coach for men. I welcome you here with love. So please don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and share this video after watching. All right. When a woman takes the legs apart and her man uses his tongue to wiggle around the powerhouse, you know, making her climax in a most pleasing way, you will become very famous. Mhm. A very famous lover. You'll be known far and well. You'll be known for good, for your good head game, your good touching. Hmm. In fact, her rooms will be named after you. Mhm. This is very, very powerful. In fact, all nights will be for you alone, always for you, even the day. Yes, I am that kind of woman who loves men with a very good head game. Mhm. Don't kill me for it. Hmm. I love a man who knows how to work real good on it. Mhm. Yes, yes, yes. See, the V has a particular smell. It has a natural smell. For as long as it's not fishy, it is fine. Yes, it is okay. You're good to go. But mind you, it's not every woman deserve to be eaten. Mhm. It's not. You don't just go eating any woman you come in contact with. No. If you have to eat a woman or give a guy a blow, you have to make sure he or she is healthy, clean within and outside, health wise. Because most women and men move around without knowing they are carrying different virus. So it's not every woman you will give head to. Mm-mm. Your protection is very important. For you to be very certain that the woman you want to give sexual something with, a woman you want to have sexual something with is very clean. You need to make sure she is medically okay. All right. So now, one of the things that men do most times is once they see the vid, once they see the pictures, they just want to get into it very fast, very quickly. No, this is something that is very, very annoying. Women don't really love it. They don't like it that way. There are several ways to make a woman poor. You know, it's not only by getting rushing into the pickles, entering into the V. It's not always by that. You know, you don't need to touch the pickles. You don't need to go close to the V until it is fully wet before you can do anything. You understand? Before you get down to the pickles, you're supposed to make her wet first. You caress her, you smoosh her, you kiss her, you touch all her body. All those spots that you know that will make her pour, produce a lot of juicy water. Before you cannot think of getting into the pickles. You know, just take your time to get her fully ready for your dogo, your machine gun. Women don't like or enjoy it when you rush them, except she wants a quickie. Yes. No, there are women that want quickie. They don't do it and get off, except she wants a quickie. But aside that, do not rush a woman because it takes time for a woman to pour, you know. But it's more quicker if she's already crushing on you. If a woman is already crushing on you or really already loving you, falling for you, it's quicker for her to get wet, So try to touch those parts to get her on before you think of anything. Women get to climax through stimulating your two dots. You're surprised. That is the truth. When they stimulate your two dots, your nipple, they get to climax. So after getting her wet, now she's fully ready for you. She will want she will want you to come in. She will want to have you completely at this moment. So what you need to do now is to start by licking around the powerhouse. Like I said before, you make sure she's health okay, that she's okay, her health is perfect. So you start licking the powerhouse, sucking and teasing the powerhouse with your tongue. You understand me? Now you need to work with your finger in that powerhouse. You make sure your fingers are very clean and moist because the powerhouse is very sensitive. So you walk down the powerhouse with your finger and stimulate it like a pro that you are very, very well. That is where all the sensitivity lies. All the sensation, that is where it lies. Hmm. You can actually ask her how she would like it, maybe fast or slow. So you can do it the way she wants it. If she likes it fast, you go fast. If she likes it slow, you go slow. But one thing you should know as a guy, consistency is the key to get her to pour. Consistency is the key. It gets her to climax. So when you notice that she's about to pour, please, 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 do not change that particular thing you're doing and that particular spot you are hitting. It's either you're doing it fast or slow. Don't just change it. If she enjoy when you're doing this fast and she enjoys it, that means she's about to pour. Women enjoy when women enjoy when you're doing it fast, that means she's about to pour. And don't shift from that position and also be consistent. But consistency is the key. You will see the flow, how it's going to pour so much. She's going to deliver a lot of juicy water. We are juicy. Yes, women, we are so juicy. Hmm. Facts. Always make sure you are sharing eye contact and talking dirty. I always emphasize this eye contact. Make sure you are talking dirty with your woman during this moment. Eye contact and talking dirty is very, very important, but this increases everything. It gives her, in fact, it puts both of you in that mood. In fact, just be careful because you are almost to swim when she delivers this flow. She's going to pour a lot. Even before you introduce your dogu, she's already pouring. You will see the flow. If you're a man, if you can do this, then hmm, every woman will always want to be with you. I'm telling you, every woman will always want to be at your beck and call. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and share this video after watching. And subscribe if you have not. See you in my next video. Bye.